Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Netspend Earned Wage Access account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Netspend Earned Wage Access and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.netspend.com and hit that link. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of Netspend. Consumer button at the top right of your screen. Just click on that button. Now guys, you'll be again taken to the new interface. Over here, at the top right of your screen, you can see the login button, sign up now button and activate button. For now, I'm going for login button to login. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the login page of Netspend. Over here, you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. Click on remember username for the use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you'll easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot your username or password to recover your username or password. If you don't have a card, just click on order a new card. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.